I'm going to do the top 5 beers that I think are great for the summer. Right now. Alright, the first beer is the Platform Beer Company Speed Merchant White IPA. I think it's really crisp, refreshing. ABV is about 6.6%. Perfect for a hot summer day. The next beer I have is the Yingling's Black and Tan. It's a porter and premium beer. Of course, you might be thinking, what? Black and Tan? Yes, Black and Tan. I like it. The next beer is the Kugel's Orange Shandy. If you like Blue Moon, throw that away, all right, and get some of this instead. I'll do a review on this later because I know a guy that loves Blue Moon, but Orange Shandy is right up his alley. I would do a review on this, but it doesn't stay in my fridge long enough. I don't know. Got to figure out why. And the last beer, a new challenger from the Great Lakes Brewing Company. It's the Holy Moses Raspberry White Ale. So you might remember this one before when it was just the Holy Moses White Ale. Apparently they added raspberry flavor to it. It's really good, really crisp. I think perfect for this. So what do you think of these beers? Do you like them? Do you hate them? You don't know? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you got any questions, feel free, throw them in the comments. And hey, if you'd like to support the channel, put a couple bucks in Ben's tip jar.